the co-authors and instigator of a book called The World of Theory of Constraints?
Yes, that's right. Stephen Balderstone was a student of mine, and as part of his master's project, I wanted a big annotated bibliography done, and he did that as part of his coursework, and then carried on doing that for his master's.
And that was when about?
End of 1999.
Yeah.
So it took a little while to get the publisher organised.
Yeah.
But we published it with Lucie Press, who do the series on.
And that graph where it says on average, I can't remember how many cases that you based on.
Yeah, well, that was based on 82 cases. 82 cases. Yeah.
And the average throughput, the average whatever. I mean, we see that graph all over the place.
Yes, it does.
Quite often without the Vicky Mabin sensor.
It does pop up all over the place. That was 82 case studies that we actually had enough data to be able to do before and after and calculate the percent improvements. There were a couple of outliers I seem to remember, like Procter Gamble and I think it was Ford, who had improvements that were off the graph, but they were in dollar terms rather than percent terms. But yeah, so that was a really interesting project, and we collected together and provided an annotated bibliography of all the papers that we could find that were published on TOC.